Yeah, by the way, the latest Barca gate, the Barca Negreira scandal.
Oh, okay.
Papa ne ba our Maje Barca sika and they do hunsembe brainam. Former vice president of Spain, CTA ni referees team and our committee. Na one Barca nyankita hundie bia lasted for 17 years. Barca 2 years come on. Scano mutu ya no Barca na into your tax. Papa nankasa ne ba company na das no 95 almost went to tax. Na che say impenifa ko hwehwe mu a yeah the findings na ba bon Real Madrid cry a board meeting won.
Yes.
Nti e ba be cheche ba yen sha see on this note. Raphinha stepping up when Barca need him most. So I check here. When was the last time I want to say Lewandowski ashego?
Watch.
Good. Lewandowski is Barca's main attacking threat. Se Barca beshe goals near 10. Emu 60 or 65% ebe fi Lewandowski yo. So when their main source of goals emfa goals in Mfamba, it means the other players need to step up and deliver. True. Nanka Barca and him say Lewandowski ni wa can maybe the next dangerous attacker no ebe Ousmane Dembele anono suprai. So Barca were looking for options. No money jide wo Ferran Torres mu because obenya chances ne dodo na obebo dodo na so ato egu kakra bi na obetimi ahye ene kra ya adom. Ansu Fati supra koba no onye Ansu Fati ananka dodo na anim so obetimi aba abaye no. So Barca needed an attacking player to show up and become their main man. And in the absence of Lewandowski goes na Emmano, in the absence of the Amabo Bosuni Inano, one person a unity, and that is Raphinha. The internet makers Abu. So we'll check here. Raphinha has proven to become a very crucial player, and coincidentally, about a timer when you're a consistent spell on the right wing for Barcelona. Barcelona ni fahono. Nanke oni Dembele na Chebo. Intina we shade unhu se oye jumane ye. Time and Dembele here present, because Obebo Kakra, Dembele Obebo Kakra, it even affected the minute. It's not a door na jidi say, Barca ko far Raphinha then buy from Leeds, and Kaya ka. But with Dembele absent, Xabi Abono consistently and he has showed up. Now he has confidence, now he has form, and now translating to Barca getting crucial wins. Let's do the statistics. Say Raphinha goals now washen 9 goals.
Yes.
Over 9 goals, a move 5. The ono washen the first goal for Barcelona. So scoring the opener, he has provided 5 or out of the 9 goals now washen so far in all competitions for a club against Barcelona. And then the washen so those one are the crucial goals. The Esha a winning point against Osasuna, he scored the winner. Against Valencia, the last game on mobile before Bilbao, or she winner, and then against Bilbao Endra, and it was she winner. So single-handedly, Raphinha's form and then the goal scoring abilities are waiting me up Pejemono. Ama Barcelona winning 9 points. O check your more point gap between Omo and Real Madrid. Clearly, the point now we're contributing has been key and that's crucial. And then Abu Amon said no more league na Yentiminka ni and Raphinha the contribution in film frame. So we are mona baso now we have my conversation assasa. Nanka dodo na jidi sanka Anthony ananka Raphinha obebo Brazil for right winger. And the Raphinha contribution or day money way no ama conversation assasa. He gives you direct speed. He gives you explosiveness. He's added goal scoring to it. Adiaba akwana anka enkane ho. Anthony no shego. Bebane says speed, OJ board their drive here. Where was I the saying Anthony? Anthony then here, the emfa born in the Graham Fanya Keche. But when a born and or the piano, although say he can do that kind of skill and antics, but he's more direct or pushy. So it gives him a little edge over Manchester United's Anthony in terms of the able considered as for Uncle the right wing of attack and from a Brazil. So kudos to him. We're born home more than why I had Yembona Basso. Away from that to the Barca Negreira case. Dear Nieka Negreira ni a former Spain vice president of Omo Referees Committee. Na Openino Odinju Media from 2004. 1994. At the Babesi 2018 and Oja Hokoe. Sad period no. One Barca Benyan kita hundie bi ampeni for that nasi ya hwema hu se debi. Sa kita hundie no munya no. At the sporting advantage ye unfair to other opponents, but Eboa Barcelona. Emma Mutumeje, the Omoye on the domestic terrain. Dear in America, one, say a cast will be a vice president of a referees committee. I just say, oh, yeah, to me. 2 million or the other, you're in a coaching park in this wedding match, and into the year can say. But 2 million, say one abu. A man to me in terms of 1 year assessing referees, ye be promotibi, ye be you be swab form. Or no, or 2 me so yes, I no. Into our control over referees. 2. Say you promoting referees as well. And your referees are more league name in the matches like I say. Ebi mo be di low matches. Now we are referee now will shape your career. The more high profile matches are obedino. And then the page will di breno at the quenim amount to me kwa international stage ekoji wudin. So as a vice president our influence kakra. So we are referee now tie na asem nko adia. Wow amwako wenim. And no nanchen international appointment recommendations every neighbor. It comes from the referee's body. And the CSE per referee top one be Ghana ha and our top referee be Ghana ha. You better recommendation from referees in penny form waha. So as a vice president of the CTA, now open events Enriquez Negreira or to me kesier or control kesier or referees or muji jumedie edema Spain during period or not now so as the vice president. Na di enti ye kasa ye hu se Barca tue sika di amana from 2001 and omu wie 2018 coincidentally papa ye odaso yi one ne ba no ye fe ne ba no Javi we ni ye Jose papa ye odaso yi o free Jumedie no so as the vice president na pe na Barcelona so je siketua no
onu fee so na Barca for
Barca so je ni siketua.
Oh okay.
Time I know a vice president na ba se tuaneka almost omutua for advisory rules or play the more omojeje the technical report ni ade de ba but oja Dwumedie na as vice president na so pe ana ba se je tua meka coincidence but threaten Barcelona with the burofax ometimi the burofax na dia to so the amaye burofax no the oka wo mu ane se todas la irregularidades ke ho conocido de doche man say menemu okita hudie obi anim say me mamo official way ne technical report ni ade but say me about na ye di ba betudwa e the tension beba tension e de beba ne say e kokota no obetimi aba be prove say ba say tu iska de man ni ade we 12th of February 2019 abrana ba say je iska ni tua no say na 19 asika no muntu ebio na nkita hodi a me no wo no say e ba bonten na akokota amonim say ho betimi a chemo it could have negative consequences and the was here no consequentials negativas enti papa no threaten Barcelona na abu say me no wo legitimate business ni eye na me so ye jai contract na ede na ade ba bonten say me ntie sika na ma obi won a obetimi aba bonten ama akokota ma me ho a cheme
no that be
me no sign the contract me say boa me ya twa ogun krata so ye na fa boa me a adentina me sanso ba threaten if the business is legal and are legitimate we no enkrata bi eni hosa it was verbal. 2 uye no to nchen the business he was rendering enye ethical because in the position as a referee's chief na our influence in whatever information of the Bema Barcelona and konya referee's chief there onye vice president no one nchen you can offer advice but when you're insider also would too for if it was legitimate Barca would have had a contract with him and the contract would have been out. If it was legitimate, invoices about they would have paid a tax through the tax system. Papa no sube to your tax with that's not 95. Now you Madrid for a year meeting and run.
Biggie Rami mame. Ramuna was in the 2 years about this out.
Almost say they have enough substance to prove. Say papa and they say referees need dio munya. And Barcelona, and they have a catalog of cases. Intimebo cases never 5. Referee number 1 here, Tristante Oliva. OJ penalty at the Real Madrid against Valencia. And that's no Tristante Oliva no. Na Barca for no GDA say otayomo but to favor Madrid. Now there's a penalty. Machana at the Naboche wo Raul. Na controversial penalty. Referee J de Momo. The Spanish referees committee na open offense Enriquez Negreira vice president no omotina so say papa sebe ade no ye no entwe yi into omodi aso twen kese e de man he was demoted eventually when the match Papa Biabion on Odija referee, you know. And this is Tristante Oliva, case number 1. Madrid for any case in the Bakuni. Where uncle the match ni your J penalty ma Real Madrid no ye demotino. Let's move to the other one. Mejuto Gonzalez, case number 2. 2005, Oji we say a penalty for Barcelona. Now outside the box. Yes. Barca versus Atletico Madrid. 2005, Oji penalty way the momo. Somebody kind ball so tell said Tristante Oliva there no. Okwaje a penalty a fake penalty and not a controversial no ye demotino. Into way Osha ebene den. Measure to Osha ebene den.
Oh no, there
Baby. Yendi Motino. David, he was promoted. Actually,
yes, I'm promoting.
I'm recommended for World Cup. Yes. Yeah, recommended for FIFA World Cup. And Ekoma Madrid, no, a referee was demoted. Ekoma Barcelona, no, a referee was promoted and endorsed for international assignment. Case number 3, Arturo Dordan Ibanez, 2006. Oji decision be the favor of Real Madrid on the Dasono. You're banning 14 matches.
14 matches.
Yes, a decision went in favor of Madrid. Occur 14 matches. Videos were but many person Facebook for the TV for a full way of way. Into me person be different content. 14 matches not nanchen. Oba no. Onim de omoye no. Omoye no venue officer.
Biggie, but referee no omoye venue officer.
Venue officer. Okay. Obiye no. Nani career no so essay 2007 Julian Santiago Rodriguez on the Ejesa Messi Espanol okay sir hand of God be na Messi ye no
mekai
or then sashi go no referee friend says Santiago Rodriguez on the day or Jesa dey we no this particular goal Emma Barca a 2-1 lead and komu winning game ni 2-1 and kasada na umbeji La Liga ana Raul Tamudo bete Kanmani 2-2 so omo La Liga expectations no was postponed referee ni di game ni wie no he was there
Oluzunya promotion
yeah there
onya promotion
me da say
Miki omo ma reviews promotion
yeah onya big games class and so the year okodi Copa final Copa del Rey Sevilla versus Getafe Kocheke 2007 he was given that particular way. I'm supposed to say that was a good job. Then Klaus Gomez, so Kaina, and then VAR chief, Spain. On a Madrid for Nita Klaus Gomez was known as a referee, no deep Madrid for no favor Barcelona pa. Where did you want your progression, sir? Amende or the VAR chief. So Madrid for say a catalog of evidence or more. They have enough to back omu claim say Enriquez Negreira vice president no some of the referees could told to only demands say ne beya omu benya baby a biaye pa ejina. So if they are opening up the case Inter Madrid for say so omu be a case ni ma they will want to join and file a complaint against the man. Yes inti send the be a case ni ma Madrid ba could apply say court engine tum no Omumbe complaint ya pape omo catalog of cases and who endra meeting omo koye no sika abase tiama pape close to 7 million euros abu for advisory services 7 million euros
kwa futu benko
eno ni asem no pape our Barca VIP box no was section na yedi amano
papa we no
yes. He was not just a vice president, but also a usual face of Muhu at the Camp Nou VIP box section. So he enjoyed money from Barca. Barca enjoyed favors from referees during the tenure. It could be a coincidence, but when you are more than a coincidence, it becomes more of a plan. There could be sporting sanctions, but that would not be applied by La Liga. La Liga and Shisha say every 3 years won't mean taking action.
Oh, okay.
But the Spanish FA can take action. Then UEFA to some extent can take action if they have enough claims. Then the state in itself for evasion of tax, any payment of money are unclassified. So when to me improve say a legitimate, Barcelona can also receive criminal sanctions for their Omayeno. Nabu, the interesting part is during this period, during this period, time I notice on it coincides to become the most successful era of Barcelona on the domestic terrain. La Liga Moje 10, Copa del Rey Bay 8, then Supercopa de España. Okay, Kabomua. Barca won over 20 domestic titles.
Oh, we're on the
yes, but all they buy international winner, now Madrid Bruno. Yeah, from 2001, they check Champions League to do a Madrid. So the clear case, NSA, football is a dirty sport. It's a dirty business. Udeni nyambai yenkai. There is no smoke without fire. That Manchester United, Alex Ferguson, our web new way more. Don't take it lightly. Football a dirty business. Barca the Naban and the Eka. But the word they say what is Juventus and the Calciopoli.
Yeah.
So don't ever think that big team be our football more already was starting so winning or the French team they winning are. You need to help yourself to get to the top. And on now, all they call it Englander. Referee back 120 Taylor. Among 500 decision in front of so that Casemiro Diano, Anthony Taylor one. Among the Tosua, there's a red card. The same Anthony Taylor this season, Van Dijk. Anyway, we were my red card.
But we need the other man.
Yeah.
Biggie Mate, Medasipa, self football now. Hey, Barca is now one hour, I know I care for. Madrid
Odi game you are omoche na kweshe room se papa bi pese ohia no okoya papa na Florentino Perez no I say unia the way I must see decisions ma Barca for no me pese mo so mo bua me sa adechen ye Barca Madrid for the videos aba iturade no
omo the video Raphinha no on pay as back we say bi yo